you know that the power of sound can far exceed our imagination? JBL, from top audio group Harman, is known for audio expertise and audio innovation for 75 years. Expressing sound is JBL's specialty. But how does this extremely vital sound performance appear on mobile phones? This challenge was solved perfectly by JBL and Redmi after several months. By using two large-size ultra-high sensitivity speakers, plus double independent large speaker box design, significantly improved loudness and bass performance. Advanced audio algorithms can real-time analyze the type of sound signal accurately and do corresponding treatment according to its type. Moreover, the JBL Golden Ears team got involved. They used their renowned acoustic expertise, repeated testing and tuning to optimize the sound, and ultimately bring the excellent sound to end user. When the game starts, it sounds open, full-bodied, natural, and with details. The playing of each piece of music is an effort to restore the true feelings conveyed by the artist during creation. The sounds depicted every time you're engaged in a fight on the battlefield. This is the vitality of sound that JBL brings to the K40 gaming. This is the JBL sound in the phone. K40 Gaming.